Most crypto traders fail. They don't fail because they are dumb. They fail because they are trading without a system. They are jumping in based on emotion, hype, and Reddit posts. They don't have rules. They don't have structure. And they don't have support. That's exactly where I was, until I discovered a system that flipped everything for me. It's called the crypto code. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this system works and how it's helping thousands of people finally get consistent results in crypto. First, it gives you a trading bot called WaveBot that does the scanning and execution for you. Second, it gives you trade alerts that are easy to follow and ridiculously accurate, with an 84 to 90% win rate over hundreds of trades. Third, it gives you education, real training that walks you through crypto from the ground up. And finally, it gives you the one thing most traders never have: accountability. You get a private group, a coaching team, and access to the founder's portfolio in real time. This system is built by traders, for traders, and it's one of the only setups I've ever seen that actually delivers. If you want to trade like the winners, start with structure. I put together a free guide that shows you how to set up your first crypto campaign in just 1 hour, even if you're brand new. You'll find the link in the description. Download it, follow the steps, and start doing crypto the smart way.